Good morning, Zach Smith, Johnson RV. Wanted to do a quick walk around on this 2020 Leisure Travel Unity 24TB. So this has the twin beds in it. Full body paint as usual. This thing's in great shape. Low 20s as far as the mileage goes. Before I go inside, actually, I'm gonna do a full walk around. Show you all four corners. We just got this in. It's a B+ on the Mercedes diesel. Tons of storage underneath as well. And as you walk in, you got the kitchen immediately. Got the dinette here, and this table does come out. That way you have walking room if you need it. Both of these chairs swivel around. Looking at the cockpit here, I see adaptive cruise control. So you have the updated chassis. This does have the 3.0 liter V6 turbo diesel. And then as you're coming back, you have beautiful twin beds here. This comes out and you have cushions that'll fill in the gap here. So this could be one giant bed back here if you wanted to have it set up that way, or you could leave it as twins. Tons of storage up above. On this side is the shower. And if you actually open that all the way, that's your partition. Get you some privacy. And then over here is the commode. Oh, the rug's gonna, there we go. Commode and the hand washing sink. You do have an onboard generator. Here's the fridge. And that is gas or electric. Convection microwave. Like I said, tons of storage. This thing's in awesome, great shape. If you'd like to see it in person, call 458-226-2472. Ask for Zach Smith. I'd love to show it to you. Thank you so much.